Spurs, they're going to blow next. The prodigal son turned Messiah gets his second 100 in successive.
India have won in dramatic style. The whole of Bengal are on their feet.
Diego! Not that important. He's gone the next ball. The dream has diminished for Carlos Brathwaite. Unbelievable scenes here at the Broadway.
तो
मोइस्ट सॉरी ये तो कोई ग्रेट क्रिकेटर हो गया।
तो बात ये है कि बहुत दिनों से हमने किया नहीं है। आईपीएल भी बंद करवा दिया तुमने, कुछ कुछ भी यूजफुल नहीं किया, और ऊपर से क्रिकेट पे पॉडकास्ट भी नहीं कर रहे हो। पब्लिक की डिमांड, पब्लिक बोल रहा है एक एपिसोड सर, एक एपिसोड पीसीसीआई पे।
थैंक यू, नो थैंक यू जयशा।
तो बताओ
यार आईपीएल पे एक
Actually,
एपिसोड किया था, तुम लोग भूल गए उस पे।
हाँ, उसको
वो जिसमें हम रैंडमली बिना स्क्वाड देखे टीम बना रहे थे।
नहीं, उसके बाद भी एक एपिसोड है। अपन ने एक एपिसोड किया है
वो
T20 terms that we don't like।
T20 टर्म्स, हाँ।
नहीं, अब एक तो गाइस, मैं इस एपिसोड का प्लेटफॉर्म रखना चाहूँगा शारदा उग्रा का क्रिकेट एटसेट्रा वाला पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड। एंड whoever is listening to us right now, if you haven't, I mean, I think you should listen
If
to
you are
that episode.
listening to us
I know,
right
And if
Nishant
you
has
don't
very
know-
some very strong opinions about who should
And if you don't know who Sharda Ugra is, just don't listen to us also. So no, I'm just kidding.
नहीं, and if you are listening to us and you don't know what to expect from us in terms of our political opinion, फिर शारदा उग्रा शायद तुम नहीं सुनोगे, तो मतलब वो भी एक बात है।
नहीं, वो पूरा एपिसोड ही लाइक नॉट इवन व्हाट वाज स्पोकन इन दैट एपिसोड, मतलब मैं उस एपिसोड का कल्ट फैन हो चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी।
It's like a tight slap to those who say sports और politics को दूर।
यस, एग्जैक्टली।
और उसी चीज में मैं शुरू करना चाह रहा था एक्चुअली डिस्कशन। तो उसने शारदा उग्रा ने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली अपने उस एपिसोड में, दैट शी सेड कि बीसीसीआई एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, व्हाइल इट हैड बीसीसीआई, अपन की बात नहीं,
नॉट पीसीसीआई। हाँ,
हम उतने
BCCI
पावरफुल
बात
नहीं हुए हैं अब तक।
बीजेपी सीसीआई की बात कर रहा हूँ अभी मैं। तो बीजेपी
डीजे पॉड पीसीसीआई की नहीं। सॉरी
एक्चुअली अपन ही है बीजेपी सीसीआई।
हाँ, वही तो।
बट सुनना बात तो सुन कि अभी तक क्या हो रहा था कि इफ देयर वाज एन अरुण जेटली फ्रॉम डीडीसीए, देयर वाज अ राजीव शुक्ला आल्सो, there was Sharad Pawar, and so the power sharing of the BCCI, while it was still under the control of politicians,
मिल बांट के खाते थे
it
सेंट्रिस्ट
was
के
a
words
मिल
में।
बांट के खाते वाला सीन।
मिल बांट के खाने से ज्यादा वो था कि एक दूसरे को कंट्रोल कर लेते थे, मतलब
एग्जैक्टली। तो शारदा उग्रा ने इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट बोला कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि अगर भी शरद पवार बीसीसीआई का चेयरमैन होता, अगर शरद पवार बीसीसीआई के चेयरमैन होता तो आईपीएल होता क्या? एंड विच इज अ वेरी वेरी पर्टिनेंट पॉइंट कि सी, we love cricket, that's why we do this podcast, and we love watching all kinds of cricket. We are as much as, कल से मैं पता है ब्रायन लारा को 226 और 221 की वीडियोस दे रहा हूँ, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं। बट
why are you not watching Sachin's 136?
सीरियस आंसर दूं?
What about his 194 not out?
Serious
Where
answer
were you when Dravid declared it?
भाई, एक मोमेंट है 221 जो वाला जो इनिंग्स है, जिसमें ब्रेटली लारा को बॉल कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और लारा एक कवर पे एक शॉट मारता है ना। पूरी दुनिया में कोई भी बैट्समैन हो, कोई भी दुनिया का बैट्समैन हो, वो अपने फ्रंट लेग पे बैलेंस लाता है, फ्रंट लेग झुकाता है और बॉल के ऊपर चढ़ के कवर पे शॉट मारता है। लारा का पूरा वेट है पीछे, उसका पीछे वाला बैक
और पूरा बॉडी फ्लो होता है
और पूरा बॉडी बॉल के साथ जाता है उस तरफ।
वो तो लारा का हर ड्राइव
वो देखने के बाद अगर कोई मुझे ये बोले कि भाई तू, आई मीन,
हाँ, मतलब
कैसे पता है
सचिन अच्छा है,
सचिन का अगर मिनिमल मूवमेंट वाज हिज सिग्नेचर, सचिन का स्ट्रेट ड्राइव देख लो, मतलब देयर इज ऑलमोस्ट अ पॉज, राइट? मतलब द बॉल मीट्स बैट एंड देन देयर इज दिस इमूवेबल ऑब्जेक्ट। लारा का एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट, लारा का एकदम मतलब लारा का फ्लूइडिटी जो है वो दूसरे एक्सट्रीम में है। मतलब
तो तुम लोगों ने मुझे भुला दिया सब कुछ। तो बेसिकली हम लोग को क्रिकेट पसंद है, इसीलिए हम लोग पॉडकास्ट करते हैं। बट जो इन द लाइट ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग इन इंडिया, डू यू गाइज इवन हु आर लिसनिंग think that it was right to either organize the IPL at this point, or at least even if you give them the benefit of doubt that when the IPL began, the pandemic in India was not
raging
that bad.
It had, man. It had
I
started.
mean, it was bad all across, to
Yeah.
be honest. But like,
But फिर भी
जो
मतलब at least
in
official
the
numbers.
middle of the IPL, it became crazy, right? Crazy, literally crazy. So
I think uh, when they decided to move that entire caravan to Delhi, I
See,
think by then
go
they had,
on.
by then they knew that what the
No,
numbers
no,
in
I'm
Delhi
just
looked
saying,
like.
even before that, I अब वही है ना कि I don't want to give them any benefit of the doubt because सबको पता है कि ये एक बंदे के लिए ही हो रहा था. The problem is कि even अगर you already conducted a successful IPL on 3 grounds 6 months ago.
When the pandemic was a lot better, actually. The irony
हाँ
is, in September,
हाँ
October, the first wave had gone.
सो इंडिया में भी अगर कराना था तो क्यों क्यों तुम्हें मतलब दो पहले 4 टीमें इधर 4 टीम फिर मतलब टूरिंग क्यों करनी थी मतलब जितनी कम टूरिंग होगी उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बबल होगा तुम्हारा
जो
एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव हर्ड कि नॉट हर्ड आई मीन दिस इज नॉट हियरसे बट देयर हैव बीन रिपोर्ट्स कि
मैंने तो ये भी सुना
वहाँ
है.
पे पीपल आर सेइंग बट कि यूएई में द देयर वाज दिस आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली नाम क्या है उसका बट देयर वाज दिस बबल मैनेजमेंट कंपनी या जो भी एजेंसी है they fired those people and gave it to some private entities. तो ये जो आई थिंक इसके पीछे का मतलब द ओनली रीजन इट शुडंट हैव हैपेंड इज कि इसके पीछे की जो मंशा थी वो क्रिकेट तो था ही नहीं वो था कि इंडिया में सब चंगा सी और ये देखो हम इधर भी खेल रहे हैं हम इधर भी खेल रहे हैं हम इधर भी खेल रहे हैं
वो तो और ज्यादा सीज
तो
मेंटालिटी हो गया ना एज दे वेंट थ्रू फर्स्ट हफ्ते का छोड़ दे शुरू हो गया टूर्नामेंट मे बी दे फेल्ट थिंग्स वेर ओके ठीक है उतना बेनिफिट डाउट मैं दे रहा हूँ स्टार्टिंग के लिए बट एज इट मूव्ड ऑन द डिसीजन टू देन गो टू अहमदाबाद ऑफ ऑल प्लेसेस राइट व्हेन यू न्यू दैट और वो तो डेफिनेटली इट वाज मोटिवेटेड बाय दिस आइडिया टू शो
या
दैट अहमदाबाद इज
एग्जैक्टली
ऑल इज फाइन इन अहमदाबाद जबकि so what I was saying is that when this whole thing moved to Ahmedabad, at that point it was very clear, right? Because all that news around Surat and Ahmedabad and the numbers there were already there. That news had already come out. So and this whole thing actually began in Gujarat, at least publicly.
This
तो
whole
इन
thing
लोगों ने
actually began in Gujarat. Yes, I agree.
It's a Gujarat variant
तो
This whole thing began in Gujarat.
in 1947
in many ways, in
Yes.
more ways than one.
Yeah.
But
on
so
16th September if I remember
17th, I
correctly.
think. Anyway,
17th,
so
okay, yeah,
if you remember this-
round about that.
the
Round
second
about
test
that.
second test match and the second T20 all of which had like 50,000 people in the stadium and उसके बाद if you know
नहीं नहीं छोटा उसमें भी बेवकूफी देख रहे हो ना 50% कैपेसिटी
but
बट 1,20,000 का 50% कैपेसिटी मतलब are you
नहीं
mad?
1,20,000 का 50% capacity makes sense if they if the seating is ensured that way not if all the 50,000 are accommodated in 2 stands then that
Yeah.
cap makes no sense so that happened and subsequently the spike in Gujarat happened so no one will talk of it but there is enough to suggest that those 2 games in Ahmedabad were super
Definitely.
spreaders the way
These were
Raipur
super
wala-
spreaders and, yeah exactly and the road safety was a super spreader
that was definitely a super
sure.
spreader so this happened and so they couldn't then not have the IPL games in Ahmedabad because Bombay had successfully hosted it and Chennai also that leg had gotten over so the popular
वही तो
narrative
ना,
in the popular narrative in the media
exactly.
is that Maharashtra is doing extremely
हाँ.
poorly and Gujarat is doing perfectly okay and if the IPL could happen in Bombay and not in Ahmedabad at that point it would be a tacit admission that things are not okay.
वही ना cricket was never the priority here it was just PR
That second leg shouldn't have happened and if at all they had planned to move it on then they should have gone to some other city like why Ahmedabad of all places Ahmedabad had already hosted like 8 international
और
games
उसमें भी
in
यार
the season
even that the very first inauguration match जो था तब पूरा भरा हुआ था उसके बाद लोग भी आए थे
नहीं आए
वैसे
थे।
उसके बाद वाले में I mean then T20s में आए so T20s में तो I personally know someone who knows people who live in Ahmedabad who
IIM
went to the
Ahmedabad
T20 yeah I am Ahmedabad yeah
IIM Ahmedabad had
IIM
25 to
was one
30
scenario.
cases
It's
25
one
to
scenario
30 cases of
yeah
people who went
the
to
person
the
I am
T20
talking about their colleagues actually went to watch that and in fact, yeah, I mean, some very horrible things have happened to a couple of the families.
So yeah, the go ahead, बोल दे.
नहीं, मैं यही बोलना चाह रहा था कि सो अगेन गोइंग बैक टू माय ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन टू both of you, and for again PCCI listeners, I just want you guys to know that I mean this is what we are. So sorry, if you feel like this is a problem, then I mean please, I
And
guess
just
don't listen. I guess I don't know,
If you don't mix personal or sports with politics,
but my
I just
my
wanted to
then-
add one more thing.
Mhm.
Not only have they proven to be tone deaf, but ineptitude का level देख रहे हो.
बहुत ज्यादा incompetence तो इतना ज्यादा है ना. They have, so again going back to not
See,
Shardul
tone
Bhai's
deafness
episode, but
is expected from
हाँ,
this lot.
वो तो इनका
Right.
मॉडल ही है.
वो तो इनका मॉडल है.
But
But you aren't even competent enough to pull it off. Like,
exactly, and we don't realize. So I'll again recommend कि same cricket etc का ही शारदा बुरा के पहले वाला एपिसोड जो था, where they had, I think, KKR का KKR not batting coach but some management position पे there was some Australian guy who was talking to them, and उस एपिसोड को सुन के ये रियलाइज होगा कि with their incompetence and because it's BCCI and it has so much influence, they have not just screwed up the IPL, they have screwed up a lot of things. Like जो chain reaction start हुआ है ना कि now Australians can't go back to their country, then UK के players को कहीं और बीच में quarantine करके, and then they have, I mean, it's
And-
commentators का अलग, I mean,
and-
it's a shit show. Like they have not just screwed up in India, they have screwed up मतलब
and
essentially
the
screwed
health
up
of
the cricket
international
world.
game in general, because
Yeah,
this year
yeah.
the problem
And
is
now
that the
the-
IPL has to happen,
Hmm.
but the World T20 is already a year. It's been pushed back to this year from last year.
Australia cancelled the World T20 when they had what, like 2,000 cases.
हाँ.
और ये इनको IPL चाहिए था जब रोज
Amateurs.
noobs.
No, नहीं, तो
It's
मेरा
it's very
question तुम
likely
लोग से
that
ये
the World
था.
T20 will
मेरा
now
question तुम
happen
लोग से ये था,
in the
दोस्तों,
UAE.
friends, मेरा question ये था कि कैसा लगता है तुम लोगों को broadly how Indian cricket has become a vehicle of BJP, and in fact not just BJP but just that one person's pride, right?
Yeah.
In fact, maybe it was that podcast or some reading that I was doing, I even kind of heard/read that there was a time when people associated with the IPL were asking people at the BCCI to do something to stop it or something, and apparently message came from the PMO or HMO to keep it going because people needed positivity.
Exactly. And it's not only that, मैं तो कहूँगा एक silver lining थी कि players को हो गया. Like I don't want to, I'm not saying I'm happy कि players को हो गया, but
मैं
if it
तुमको-
would have been just the bus driver or just the groundsman, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता, and they would have,
नहीं,
maybe
मैं तो
people
बोल
would
रहा
have
हूँ,
even died.
even if it had not been, say, Pat Cummins or Adam Zampa or all of these people, at least vocally speaking about this, I don't think things would have come out. मतलब, I totally
they
expect
wouldn't
Indian
have,
cricketers
yeah.
to have kept mum and then continue playing
Yeah.
through this. Compare this to, I'm just giving you an alternative scenario. It was not even a pandemic, but 2009 the IPL didn't happen in India for much more
Election.
trivial reasons,
Yeah.
because the elections were on and the security apparatus did not have to be stressed at that time, so we moved the whole thing out to South Africa that year. तब और अब में मतलब कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट वो गवर्नमेंट वर्सेस ये गवर्नमेंट, मैं सेंट्रिस्ट
उस
बन रहा
समय
हूँ,
ये
अपॉलिटिकल
opposition-
बोल रहा हूँ. ये लोग
उस
अपोजिशन में
समय-
थे एंड
हाँ,
दे हैड
और
मेड
ये
अ
बोल रहे
फस
थे
अबाउट
कि
इट.
हाँ कि ये क्रिकेट भी नहीं करा पा रहे हैं.
हाँ, सो दे हैव बीन कंसिस्टेंट.
2014 में IPL का क्या हुआ था?
हाफ ऑफ इट
फर्स्ट लेग गया था
हैपेंड
ना
इन
वहाँ पे
UAE
UAE, वो मैक्सवेल्स फर्स्ट हाफ बेसिकली.
for way more trivial reasons than a pandemic compared to this.
नहीं, तो over the last 7 years or whatever, right?
तो
we have
2019
only
the
become
IPL
more and
continued to
more and
happen.
more, and like people लोगों को दुनिया में मतलब बाकी इंडिया में कई लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि पब्लिक सुधरेगी, मैं पब्लिक और ज्यादा वैसी होती जा रही है, if you know what I mean.
2019 में the IPL happened in India, continued to happen through the elections.
इलेक्शन. हाँ.
So that stamp has always been there, that हम तो मतलब pragmatic होना हमारे खून में ही नहीं है. हमको दिखाना है, मतलब घर में पैसे नहीं है लेकिन शादी हमको करवाना है, मतलब धूमधाम से 1000-2000 लोगों को इनवाइट करके, बिकॉज आवर प्रायोरिटीज आर सिंबॉलिक. People's lives
And
don't really matter,
we
symbolism
don't
does. And
we
this is
don't
even
understand.
bad symbolism, right? Like,
हाँ,
how is
yeah,
this even
yeah.
good symbolism?
एंड
In
एक थोड़ा सा
Mhm.
स्लाइट टेंजेंट कि या मे बी आगे चल के वो डिस्कस करना है क्या कि द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट एपिसोड वेयर दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट भूटान क्रिकेट एंड युगांडा क्रिकेट.
Yeah. I mean,
तो तू सोच रहा है कि वैसा आई मीन वही है ना कि इंडियंस डोंट इवन बॉदर कि
nahi,
क्या हो रहा है
I
क्या.
think so. So something. Yeah, you're. I mean, I know what you mean. But the
हाँ,
thing is that Bhutan and Uganda or any other cricketing board can do it because it's not a vessel of the vanity of one man,
एग्जैक्टली
right?
एग्जैक्टली
The
एंड
moment
आई एम
Indian
जस्ट सेइंग कि थिंक अबाउट इट, इट्स पॉसिबल लाइक.
This
और
is
जिस जो
what the Berlin
पॉड शुरू करने
Olympics
से पहले
was
तू
to
बोल रहा था
Hitler,
निशांत,
right?
राइट? उस पे मेरा पॉइंट है कि इट्स नॉट दैट ऑल इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स, all people, like there is no homogeneity, right? I mean, we and Aditya think a certain way. There are other people who think differently. So not all football players are like great at heart, and not all cricketers are assholes. But the problem is that cricket, which is the only sport of India, honestly,
Where we are any good at. Huh?
and we watch and we know who who's who, they just don't have that kind of freedom to do anything, because the moment a cricketer acknowledges that there is a problem is the moment when the high command has to kind of like, even like not being invisible, have to ask questions.
But
बीइंग
and a lot of people might think that we are overreacting on this, but you'll have to just look at a bunch of examples from this IPL. First is Ashwin walking out at that point, right? Like, which was 10 days before the thing ended.
या
You didn't see one piece of public acknowledgement by even his teammates
Yeah.
to that.
अरे forget about, so Ashwin had just gone because he wanted to support
Huh,
his family
family.
जहाँ पे हो,
Huh.
like Veda Krishnamurthy lost
Lost
her family and
two of her
nobody even
family
spoke
members.
about it.
And the BCCI didn't
Within 3
acknowledge.
days.
No one in the
Within 3 days.
fraternity actually
Yeah.
made any noise about it. Like,
यही चीज कोहली अगर विमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप के समय अगर चल रहा होता तो फिर उड़ उड़ के कि वाह वेल प्लेड गर्ल्स, लेकिन अभी कुछ एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब.
women's cricket has been a casualty of this entire pandemic even
हाँ.
before the IPL. Like,
yeah last year भी वही हुआ था.
hardly any international women's cricket happened. Other countries were playing and we didn't, like, we totally had no priorities. Like, when the entire international home season happened with the India England series with zero compromises, we had like a bunch of T20s between India and South Africa or something as an afterthought. That is how much they
इवन
prioritize.
आईपीएल में भी तो क्या ये 4 मैच खिला के
4
बोलते हैं
मैच.
विमेन्स आईपीएल हो गया, मतलब
हाँ.
कुछ भी.
तो ये बेसिकली तुम्हारे दो सुपरस्टार क्रिकेटर्स हैं, वेदा कृष्णमूर्ति को भी ले लो, इसको भी ले लो, दे आर मेन स्ट्रीम क्रिकेटर्स, राइट?
Yeah.
फॉर द बोर्ड टू नॉट acknowledge that the and shy away from this whole thing. And सबसे annoying बात ये था कि for a large part of the IPL these guys weren't even doing those SOS retweets. तुम बोलोगे, लोग बोलने के लिए बोलेंगे कि उन लोगों ने तो चैरिटी में silently दिया होगा and what not. But you have this power to amplify, right?
हाँ, yeah,
Like, how
you
many
should.
people did it?
I
मैंने
mean,
सिर्फ अश्विन का ही ट्वीट देखा, और कौन था? I
कोहली
haven't
तो
seen
ऐड
anyone
कर रहा था भाई.
acknowledging.
up
हाँ,
until
Puma का ads.
2 days ago प्यूमा के पेड एड्स कर रहा है, मतलब fuck man, ये हीरो है साले देश के. क्या
तो इन सब के बीच
सुपर
में
वी,
तुम दोनों,
सुपर वायरस.
क्वेश्चन इज, सो आई गेस तुम लेट मी आस्क निशांत, whatever the IPL, of whatever IPL the IPL happened, how much of it did you watch?
I watched, like, I mean, obviously it happened during work hours here, so I didn't like watch each and every ball, but mostly I caught up with the highlights and stuff. I did watch.
And Aditya?
I would have watched 2 games at the most because I was traveling for a while and then I didn't
If I
really
ask
watch a lot of
you
it.
right now, how much of it do you guys recollect or recall at this point?
I can just recollect one game. I think that Sanju Samson wala match. Nothing
Mostly
beyond
वही
that.
था, हाँ. Yeah, that was the second game itself, I think.
Did you guys, and I'll maybe निशांत के पास पहले चलते हैं कि ऐसे मैं पत्रकार बन गया आज. But did you at any point then and since now feel that um, doubted your love for the game?
Did you at any point doubt the love for your
point?
game?
So no, वो एक back of the mind में वो guilty feeling तो थी ही थी. I am not going to deny that. मतलब वो तो थी कि यार नहीं होना चाहिए, और even while watching I was saying कि नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन it's just like कि चल रहा था background में कभी, like if I'm after work, if I'm having coffee or something, तो चल रहा है. And mostly more than cricket, I was doing it for the Hindi commentary review. So बट हाँ, I definitely doubted it. Doubted क्या मतलब, गिल्टी फीलिंग तो हो ही रही थी, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मतलब थोड़ा तो सोचो यार, मतलब it shouldn't really. In fact, I had other school friends who were discussing, तो पहले हफ्ते उस ग्रुप में काफी actively discussion हुआ, and they are also like we align on the fact कि मतलब वही the shitty commentary, the blah blah blah, all the various archaic T20 nitty gritty जो है. तो पहले काफी enthusiastically, फिर second week में it really died down, क्योंकि everybody was really pissed कि क्या हो रहा है. फिर I mean it shifted more towards कि क्यों चल रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. And yeah, so to answer your question shortly, yes, I did. Not for the game, but definitely for like, I was not enjoying that. I was just like, कि there's always in the background कि मतलब everything is obviously not okay. It's not going to say like I haven't started loving the game less कि अभी मैं English season नहीं देखूंगा. I will.
English season अरे आने वाला है. English season आने
2nd June से है ना, I think, and that
New
too
Zealand
England
का
versus
test.
New Zealand has started. So yeah.
Aditya, same question.
So
Same question.
I didn't really doubt the love for the game, my love for the game, because I don't think I'm not that big into T20s anyway. I'm not, and I'd rate that the lowest on my priority list. So even in a regular season, my IPL attention wanes by the time it enters the third week. So I wasn't feeling guilty, but what I do feel is I feel very angry, because I was just mentioning this to you on WhatsApp the other day, right? Ki cricket is one of the very last remaining connects to your childhood personality of yours. Like if I look at a 10-year old me versus me today, the only thing that is probably still last standing remains of that me is cricket and the love for the game. That somehow these people have just, the fact that that has been hijacked, mm, I think that makes me angry and helpless more than anything else.
So
वही है ना, घूम फिर के बात ये है कि they are so incompetent that they have been able to, मतलब तो सोच रहा है हम जैसे लोगों को भी उन लोगों ने डामाडोल कर दिया है कि ये देखना नहीं चाहिए, क्रिकेट चल रहा है और नहीं देखो.
नहीं, मतलब
You know
ये
how
तो
difficult
ये
it is to put that doubt in my mind. मतलब तू सोच रहा है ना, मतलब हम लोग, तू लारा 221 तो छोड़, like we have literally been talking about 96 वर्ल्ड कप के मैचेस, so
लोग या मूवी का
it's very
डायलॉग जैसा,
difficult to do that.
लोगों को जैसे मूवी का डायलॉग रटा हुआ रहता है ना, वैसे हम
हाँ,
लोग ऐसे ये
exactly,
स्कोर पे ये
commentary.
वाला स्ट्रोक
हाँ,
लगेगा और ये कमेंट्री लगेगा, वैसे
I
टाइप
was the one who remembered कि किसी एक सीरीज में सुनील जोशी के पीछे पीछे उसकी जर्सी पे उसकी स्पेलिंग गलत थी, and I also dug out the proof of that.
and it's
But
not the game or just that cricket ऐसी ही है, it is an aristocratic, that is not how it is to be read. It is just a bunch of shitty people for whom the
yeah,
game is, love of the game is not their priority.
हाँ, yeah, that's
Vanity
true.
is.
लव ऑफ द
True,
गेम से
yeah.
मैं ये बोलूंगा कि 81 ऑल आउट ने एक एपिसोड का जय जय गनगली
गलगली
जय गलगली, जयप्रकाश गलगली, हाँ, yeah.
बिफोर दैट
मैं
आई
सुना
डिड
नहीं
नो
वो,
अबाउट दिस चैनल.
Oh, it's yeah, I also
पुराने
didn't know
वीडियोस
about
है.
this channel, but
Right
हाँ,
after that I subscribed to his channel, and obviously the video quality is not great, and obviously the videos
no,
are
but that's
just
not
two
his
camera.
fault. But that's not his fault, right?
No, that's not his fault. But
He's
my
trying
question
to
is,
collect
I
archives
keep
now.
going back and this, like, I'm just telling you about the love of game. I because I fucking want to see how Farooq Engineer's
हाँ,
stance
yeah,
was.
yeah,
I
yeah.
want to see Prasanna's bowling action. That is like, मतलब तुम लोग बच्चे लोग, तुम लोग नहीं सुनने वाली बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ
तुम लोग क्या समझोगे ये सब? लेकिन उसके बाद इस इतने ब्यूटीफुल स्पोर्ट की जिस तरीके से इज बीइंग यूज्ड एज अ
vehicle for
वेसल फॉर
something
वन
very
पर्सन's
toxic.
ईगो
हम्म हम्म हम्म,
is is just does not feel right.
yeah.
um I don't really
And
know what
even
else to
then,
talk
even
about on
now,
this
right?
episode
अगर
actually.
forget about IPL के पहले से भी like उनका वो तो था ही ना, like they never cared about the sport or the fans. इंडिया में हमेशा numbers game ही हो जाता है ना, no matter how shit, and especially when it's cricket, when so many people like it, it hardly matters how pathetically you run it.
And
People are
how,
going to watch
no
it.
matter how
So
badly you package it, the
yeah,
law of large numbers is that some
be it the
20%.
graphics, be it not doing anything with like e-games में कुछ नहीं करना है उसका, be it YouTube videos, मतलब कुछ they are doing absolute zero they have done to actually promote the sport.
fan engagement कुछ नहीं है. हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं, zero. I still remember Ashes जब होने वाला होता है उसके 6 महीने पहले से जो the way they start propping it up in both
भाई
UK
अभी
and
से स्काई स्पोर्ट्स ने रोड टू एशेस के प्रोग्राम चालू कर दिए हैं.
हाँ, and
एंड
not even that, like you will see buses in Australia or UK, they'll be like, I
यार
mean, last
वो
year I
भी,
remember it was Broad versus Warner and all those
वो
things
तो
were
तू
propped up.
मार्केटिंग के बारे में बोल रहा है ना. आई एम सेइंग समथिंग एज बेसिक एज नोइंग व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम योर होम सीजन the next year and tickets going out for sale 6 months before. That is something very fundamental, and that caters to the audience more than logistics का क्या है. ग्राउंड तो रेडी हो जाएगा, बट यू हैव टू लाइक, इफ समवन्स प्लानिंग टू गो वॉच अ मैच, से आई हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो वॉच अ मैच एट द ईडन गार्डन्स, ठीक है, बचपन से. But the thing is, I don't know when the test match at Eden Gardens will happen. Like the
हाँ,
tickets go out 1 week before the test match.
yeah,
How
yeah.
do you expect someone to end up? How do you build folklore around the sport without any of this?
अब भाई they don't have to ना. They don't have
They
to.
don't have
That's
वही
the
to.
वही
thing.
प्रॉब्लम है, वही
We
प्रॉब्लम है.
we just we are suckers. वही है ना, जिस दिन इंडिया में कोई दूसरा स्पोर्ट उस लेवल पे आ गया, टीम स्पोर्ट, जो थोड़ा सा भी क्रिकेट 50% भी कंपटीशन दे सके ना,
इनको
you
सुधरना
will
पड़ेगा.
realize how, like what Nishant was saying, how incapable these folks are right now. It's basically
No,
like
no, but the, you know the problem. Our administrators across sports will be equally incapable.
नहीं हाँ ना, I'm not saying that,
That's possible.
but let's say
It's not a cricket specific thing.
there are other
Yeah.
things, right? For example, just a hypothetical example, let's say Indian football somehow does something कि हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप के लिए क्वालिफाई कर जाएं, ठीक है? तो forget the our administrators. The international stature of football is such that they would not have to do much, and they would feed off of the international marketing that happens around it, and that in itself would just show you how incapable BCCI is what I'm saying.
I'll just give you another example of what we are saying when it comes to like packaging and all of these things. World Cup happens. World Cup में भी World Cup की भी जो TV broadcast, a lot of the broadcasters are Indians, right? People working on the broadcast team. But why is it that the entire aesthetics of it just gets elevated during an ICC event? It's the same set of a lot of these Star Sports ka hi log, because Star Sports has brought purchased rights for the ICC events, right? So if you go back and watch even the tournament montage for the 2019 World Cup, there is an entire whole tournament there is a montage, and there is another one which is the Wimbledon final and the World Cup final ka
World Cup final का साथ
combined
में, हाँ, that
montage,
was
right?
on the same day.
On the same
Yeah.
day. And just the quality of that, cricket looks like a different sport there. Why is it that the same bunch of Indians would be working there, but वहाँ पे क्या है कि
जब आप लोग इंडिया में रहते हो तो कितना कचरा करते हो, यूएस जाते हो तो फिर सब कचरा संभाल के रखते हो.
ये वो वाला नहीं है. They are taking orders from a different set of people.
Different. Yeah.
Generally, the broadcasting जो host organizing committee जो होगा, that would probably be based in England or whoever is the host, and completely becomes a different product. The moment they start doing this broadcast for the BCCI, I'm pretty sure the diktat comes from the BCCI saying that इधर थोड़ा golden लगेगा क्या, ये तुम्हारा टेम्पलेट में थोड़ा साइड में थोड़ा 3D मिल सकता है क्या थोड़ा, and there is this fake 3D effect that you see in
वो
all of the BCCI
एक तो मुझे समझ
broadcasts.
नहीं आया, ये आईपीएल के मैच स्टार्टिंग में जो स्टैट्स आते हैं वो ड्रोन पे क्यों आते
ड्रोन
हैं?
पे क्यों आते हैं? वो क्यों
मतलब
पता
सिर्फ
है? मैं
सीधे
तुझे बताऊं.
सीधे दिखा दो ना टीवी पे, मतलब सब हमको
NBA तूने
ओ
NBA
एन ओ राइट राइट राइट, हाँ, नॉट जस्ट एनबीए, या
कोई भी इंडोर
हाँ,
इवेंट में तू देखेगा तो वो ड्रोन पे
दिखते दिखते हाँ,
स्टैट्स
Guys,
दिखते हैं ना, LED.
so all three of us are
एंड
big
दैट इज आल्सो
supporters
नॉट
of
कमिंग
the
फ्रॉम दैट, पता नहीं
all three
नहीं,
of us are
जस्ट
big
जस्ट
supporters of the Narmada Bachao Andolan also. Yes.
just a minor thing on that, that even in that NBA it's coming from actual physical, like
Actual
if you
in-house physical
in-house
LED.
physical वो screen वैसे लगे रहते हैं उस shape में, and that's why
क्योंकि वो
they are
close.
trying to replicate it. और इंडिया में ऐसा कुछ कभी कहीं नहीं होता. Even in my university का जहाँ पे मेरा actual क्या बोलते हैं उसको graduation हुआ था, वहाँ पे भी like they had exact same thing which was physically present like from the ceiling. But ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे when you try to replicate it, there is like a, it makes sense. But इंडिया में just copy किया है और कुछ नहीं.
But why do you want a drone? मतलब ग्राउंड में क्यों चाहिए? मतलब these are things that gimmicks just for the sake of it.
हाँ,
और ये किसी ने तो बोला होगा ना, भाई ऐसा बना सकता है क्या? थोड़ा जिगना वाला थोड़ा सा पेपर लगा के, थोड़ा चमकी लगा के मिलेगा क्या? ऐसा.
इसी एक्सेंट में बोला होगा और
And this is how they treat their fans, and they take their fans for granted, right?
yeah, and even
So,
fans में भी like 2011 वर्ल्ड कप के तुम इंडिया के सारे नॉकआउट मैचेस देख लो,
हम्म,
कितने उसमें वीआईपी होंगे और कितने नॉर्मल
हम्म,
फैंस होंगे.
हम्म.
फाइनल में कोई भी नॉर्मल होगा, बिना जुगाड़ के किसी को भी
मैं
टिकट मिली
फाइनल
होगी.
का तुझे बताता हूँ, because I was looking for tickets then.
हाँ,
It went out on a website called Kyazunga.com. ठीक है.
not even
Kyazunga
BCCI या not
Kyazunga
even
put out a
ICC.
lottery for, so the stadium capacity at Wankhede is around 40,000 roughly. ठीक है. They had put out 5,000 tickets for the common public.
हाँ.
The rest all going
So
for,
lottery
and those
happens.
5,000
Lottery happens everywhere, but
हाँ,
it happens for the whole thing,
state
like not just
for a big
हाँ.
part of the stadium, if not for all.
Only
There's a
like
fair
I
chance.
am sure of SCG जहाँ पे मैंने देखा है, and a couple other grounds.
Members pavilion और वो
हाँ,
stand तो
exactly.
है ही.
Just the members one is just the other thing, but rest is all open. Yeah. So you were saying, so 5,000 were only.
So they had put out only 5,000. So this entire sport is basically, you are just taking people for granted. And to Raj's point that some other sport will catch up, the problem is that Indian administrators are proven to be inept forever. And in fact, cricket is the best of the lot when it comes to administration.
Yeah,
So,
actually. This is the best we
I
have.
So
ये है हमारे TS रावत.
I think
BCCI.
I think it's not the best. I just think it has a lot of money to hide over its inefficiencies. That is
हाँ,
what I
that's
think.
true. That's true.
Because I mean, go think about it, right? I mean, we've discussed on this pod as well, right? 93 में साउथ अफ्रीका अगर इंडिया नहीं आता तो हमको पता
तो
होता कि
इनको
बीसीआई कितना पैसा कमा सकता है.
पैसा बना सकता है. वो story for people who do not know is just this
सुना
very
दे,
quickly to sum it up. So when South Africa came out of apartheid, so when they were touring India for the first time, they wanted to broadcast, because this was the first sporting event that South Africa was part of once they re-entered the sport in general. So they wanted to broadcast this back to South Africa, and Doordarshan was the host broadcaster for all cricket in India. And Doordarshan till then, they were not making money out of the broadcast, but they were paying the BCCI, right? The other way around. The BCCI used to pay Doordarshan to actually air their broadcast. So this is when South Africa wanted to broadcast it back to South Africa. This whole tour, they offered to pay money to the BCCI to purchase rights. That's when they came to know that, oh, money can be made out of broadcasting. So, and now we are so greedy that we'll not let anything go out for free on YouTube. So we have reached another extreme of this.
And is it just because YouTube पे भी क्या तो मतलब the only thing is it's still available for free on bcci.tv, but
Poorly
the
maintained
thing is कि
website, which is so
very
hard to
poorly
watch.
maintained. Yeah, so I'm just saying कि अगर ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तुम literally उसको ताला लगा के रख रहे हो, then why don't you just do it on मतलब YouTube where more people can access it easily? I mean, this is just पता नहीं, ये अलग ही लेवल का इनकेपेबिलिटी है ना, मतलब सोचा ही नहीं क्या, मतलब लाइक व्हाट.
Incapability नहीं है, मतलब again is all, मतलब if you, it all ties back to the same thing argument that this is not for the love of the game.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
I don't think any one of them care anything about the game.
वही प्रॉब्लम है.
इनमें से आधे लोग ऐसे नहीं होंगे that if tomorrow an India Afghanistan test match happens, no one is going to care about it.
Oh
Love the
yeah,
game वगैरह
definitely.
कुछ नहीं है. मतलब if a neutral game happens in a World Cup in India, how many, I'm talking of the Indian public at large here, how many people in India would turn up for an Ireland versus Netherlands game in any of our cities?
They won't.
We don't love the game. Most people now view it as a object of nationalistic pride, and the sport is secondary to all of this, because a lot of us laughed
दोस्तों,
when
ये तो आपको तभी समझ जाना चाहिए था जब पुलवामा के बाद हमने टोपियां बदली थी दोस्तों.
and
Yeah. धोनी ने ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया कभी?
पहले हम जीते नहीं थे ना.
धोनी पहले आर्मी से एसोसिएटेड नहीं था ना, पता नहीं.
नहीं मतलब मैं आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि सिर्फ धोनी के बोलने से हो जाता है क्या? किसी
हुआ
को तो
तो ना,
अप्रूव करना होता होगा.
सीएसके की जर्सी में नहीं हुआ था क्या?
नो बट किसी ने तो अप्रूव किया होगा ना.
नहीं, ये धोनी नहीं कर, ये धोनी का प्लान था क्या? तुम ये कह रहे हो टोपी वाला?
उसने खुद बोला था.
खुद बोला था, कैप्टन था ना वो.
टोपी वाला भी, और
मतलब
तभी तो उसने सीएसके
कैप्टन नहीं था.
बहुत ही
मतलब
ज्यादा.
कैप्टन
फिर तो
जैसा.
धोनी बीजेपी ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं कर लेता?
नहीं, और इन लोगों को क्या लगता है कि आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि ये अपने आप सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I think they have this thing ना कि they don't want to acknowledge the fact कि they are playing cricket because they like it. It was not, when you started playing cricket as a kid, तुम्हारा पहला thought it's not possible कि तुम्हें देश के लिए खेलना है, तुम्हें अपने लिए ही खेलना है भाई, because you like it. And then I think because of all this from the last 6-7 years, जो भी खास करके आर्मी का जिस तरह से politicization हुआ है, they have, I think धोनी जैसे लोगों को लगता है कि they are equivalent to soldiers representing their country, which is utter crap, man. मतलब
Forget that.
like,
for a moment उसको भी benefit of doubt दे दो. पुलवामा happened and people wanted to express solidarity. अभी जो हुआ
अरे
IPL
एक्सप्रेस
में,
सॉलिडारिटी, मुझे ये भी पीआर है ना. लाइक
PR
एक्सप्रेस सॉलिडारिटी करना है तो वो
Other means.
उनको मतलब दे दो ना यार, जो वहाँ पे जो एक्चुअल फुट सोल्जर जो वहाँ खड़ा है ठंड में, उसके लिए कुछ कर दो. टोपी
अभी
पहन के खेलेंगे और हार
नहीं,
अलग गए.
तू जो ये बोल रहा है ये तो मैं 1 मिनट के लिए मैंने दिया, वो तो नेशनल टीम का था कुछ, तो एक नोशनल सिंबलिज्म. सीएसके के जर्सी पे इस साल
हाँ,
सेम
what
चीज हुआ
does
था,
that has to do? Yeah.
and it's being sponsored by this almost a betting company, right? This Dream
हाँ,
11,
हाँ,
all
yeah,
of that.
yeah.
मतलब is that not trivializing the
Yeah.
whole army का? I don't know. मतलब people take offense at things which are much more innocent than any of this, but people are okay with all of this. So
Offense
Just
is the
because
best form
army
of defense. Defending your own.
सोल्जर हो गया, सोल्जर आ गया.
तो एक ही मतलब इस साल एक ही गम है बीसीसीआई को सबसे बड़ा, कि अहमदाबाद का पहला फाइनल मोस्टली गया, वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ अभी,
But-
क्योंकि again this is again I'm basing my theory on the same episode with not the Shardul Gravan but the other one, जिसमें they were talking about कि now the credibility has taken such a hit that to have like whatever 14-16 teams for the T20
there is
World
no
Cup.
way teams wouldn't
There's no
want to
way.
come now.
Yeah.
See, the credibility of an organization and a country, there is a tipping point for everything, right? So
Yeah.
most of us, people who have started watching cricket, most of us remember cricket in Pakistan being a normal thing, right? It was cricket happening in Pakistan was a part of our calendar every year, but no one visualized that 2009 would be so dramatic that it would take a decade for things in Pakistan, for cricket to come back in Pakistan. I'm not saying that this will be something like that for the BCCI, because they have way too much more money to bring the sport back, but it will definitely in the short run take a hit with things like a lot of players might not want to be part of the IPL, international
and
players.
that's why I was saying, right, कि इन लोगों ने अपने inaptitude से पूरा क्रिकेट की, एंड बिकॉज इट्स बीसीसीआई एंड बिकॉज इट वाज अ वर्ल्ड कप, ये इतनी आसानी से छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं. दे विल ट्राई एवरीथिंग कि वो हो इंडिया में.
It will
बट देन
happen in
दिस
the
विल
UAE
हैपन.
mostly.
हाँ, some, and then they'll have to move it around somewhere, and फिर
Because
अगले साल फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाला फिर वो बोलेंगे कि नहीं अब इंडिया में चाहिए. मतलब they have
वो
the
हो
chain
सकता है.
reaction, they have really screwed it up, and just because अहमदाबाद में फाइनल चाहिए.
There was an Asia Cup which was supposed to happen this year. That won't happen. मतलब
और ये देख रहे हो, बेवकूफी देख रहे हो भी यहाँ पे, like this IPL, it was supposed to be Ahmedabad and Delhi, then it would be what, Kolkata and some
Kolkata
other,
and Bangalore
and Bangalore, and then back
to
for
Ahmedabad.
the, हाँ मतलब भाई,
Final करना ही है अहमदाबाद.
मतलब कुछ तो सोच लो यार.
And this
मतलब
for an event which is going to happen in front of empty crowd. So you can't even give me that justification that the
yeah,
final has to happen in
biggest
front of
stadium.
100,000
हाँ,
people.
हाँ.
It is going to happen closed doors. So
मतलब ये वही है ना कि the starting point of this was they actually reverse engineered everything ना, just like Indians do. तो they थे कि हाँ भाई फाइनल अपने को इधर चाहिए,
बाकी
और
देख
ये
ले.
कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मैचेस इधर चाहिए. अब देखो कि भाई कैसे वो करना है.
और उसके बाद लॉजिक कैसे बनता है कि मुंबई में पहला हुआ, अहमदाबाद जाना पास में, निकल जाएंगे वैसे, तो वो सेकंड लेग अहमदाबाद में फिर से करा देंगे. भाई तुम
इससे अच्छा
सोच रहे हो पूरा सीजन इंग्लैंड होके गया है, मतलब पूरा का पूरा T20 सीरीज, 2 टेस्ट मैच, उसके बाद भी तुमको और भी गेम चाहिए अहमदाबाद में.
हाँ, नहीं एक बहुत ही वियर्ड सा, बहुत ही मतलब आउटलैंडिश सुनने में लगेगा, लेकिन आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वुड बी. सो हैव इट इन वन प्लेस. तुम्हें अहमदाबाद करना है ना, भाड़ में जाए, तुम करो, ठीक है. जस्ट हैव इट इन मुंबई और वेर एवर यू थॉट की सबसे कम रिस्क है. एंड जितना टीवी स्क्रीन पे स्टेडियम दिखता है, you people can't make out, right, कि ये mostly कि क्या है. And then when you're doing wide shots, use अहमदाबाद के wide shots. तो तुम कर लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब बोल दो कि वो नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में हो रहा है. ये ज्यादा इजी नहीं होगा एज कंपेयर
ये
टू
तो नॉर्थ कोरिया मॉडल है
फ्रॉम
सर.
हियर टू हियर.
इसी को तो नॉर्थ
अरे
कोरिया
तो
मॉडल
ठीक है, तो और
जी आपने
कहीं
एक
तो
मूवी क्या दिला दी जिसके बारे में हम कल बात कर रहे थे, वैग द डॉग.
wag the dog की. but that's what I'm saying, right, कि but you think about it, moving a bubble with so many international players to 6 different cities, had this not been a lot easier. तुम फेक नॉइज वॉइस तो डाल ही रहे हो ना, पकड़ के ये भी एडिट कर दो थोड़ा सा.
फेक मैचेस भी डाल सकते हो आज तो.
हाँ.
जस्ट फॉर फन एक पाकिस्तान को हरा दिया एक मैच, वैसा भी बना सकते हो.
आईपीएल में पाकिस्तान को हर टीम आके हरा रही बीच बीच में, ऑल्टरनेटिव्स.
At the Narendra Modi Stadium in Gujarat, Pakistan bat first.
And get all out for 0.
कामरान
तो
अकमल.
उसके लिए ऐसा करना चाहिए. मैं तो बोलूँगा इंडिया बैट फर्स्ट, और हर बॉल पे इंडिया जो भी ओपनर है अपने, हर बॉल पे छक्के मारते हैं. पहली 5 बॉल पे छक्के मारता है, लास्ट बॉल पे सिंगल ले लेता है. कोहली
सुपर
ओपन करता
बैट
है.
वाला चीट कोड लगा के.
हाँ, पहले 5 बॉल पे छक्के, लास्ट बॉल पे सिंगल, तो 31 रन हर ओवर में बनते हैं. कितने ओवर का? 20 ओवर का मैच है, राइट? हाँ तो
नहीं, लेकिन लास्ट ओवर में 36 बन सकते हैं.
हाँ. ओ
ट्रिक क्वेश्चंस.
हाँ. और तो कितना हो गया? 620 तो नहीं हुआ, फिर 625 हो गया.
625 हो गया. हाँ,
तो 625 रन बना लिया बंदे 20 ओवर में. और फिर पाकिस्तान बैटिंग करने आया, तो बुमराह ने पहले ओवर में 6 बॉल पे 6 विकेट ले लिए. दूसरा ओवर शामी को नहीं दिया, शार्दुल को दिया, और उसने 4 विकेट.
टैगोर को दिया क्योंकि बंगाल इलेक्शन आने वाले थे. कुछ भी.
बट यार ये लेकिन रिग्रेट जरूर है कि मतलब ये सबके लिए होता है ना, एक व्हीकल ऑफ कुछ तो, एक एसोसिएशन, नेशनलिज्म तो नहीं, एटलीस्ट एक टीम दैट यू एसोसिएट विद. एंड सबका एक ट्राइबल इंस्टिंक्ट होता है किसी चीज़ के थ्रू, व्हीकल के थ्रू आता है. मतलब क्रिकेट इज फार मतलब सीज टू बी दैट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट जस्ट watching it on TV these days just reminds me of these people. मतलब watching Indian cricket on TV, not that all cricket reminds me of that, but it'll take a while for that to get washed out. And this has been heightened because of these, not because of the administration. The administration has probably always been political, but it's very apparent that the players themselves now are in this with them. And this is the whole thing is a whole thing. It's a chain of events, right? It all begins with that India against propaganda, what series of tweets. It starts from there, and the whole home season, and it has culminated with this IPL and the way people have behaved. That's it. It's not this isolation, this IPL in isolation.
This I was just telling this to someone I was talking offline. Okay, if you want to understand how Indian cricketers are reacting, you'll have to see it very subtly. So, for example, Ashwin leaving IPL 10 days before all this happening, tells you something about how he thinks of things. And maybe I'm overthinking it, but someone like a Rishabh Pant donating to a specific foundation may tell us something about what he or how he
Even
or
Shubman
his,
Gill.
even Shubman Gill
Even Gill.
or even Hanuma Vihari. I don't know if you guys notice. He's doing a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah,
COVID
He's
stuff,
doing
COVID help stuff. So, yeah. पर यही तो
Even
हाल है
उनटकट ने भी पहले कर दिया था यार.
गुजराती लोग तो हर्षल पटेल और उनटकट तो ये लेके चलते होंगे गिल्ट.
And the silence of the rest, that speaks a lot. लोगों के टाइमलाइंस पे जाओ, तुमको अश्विन का एक दिख जाएगा कि 2 हफ्ते से वो ये SOS ट्वीट्स और ये सब किए जा रहा था. तो ये ओनली अ हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल हैव इवन डन दैट.
So which means कि वो mostly self censorship ही था फिर.
सेल्फ सेंसरशिप, हाँ.
Because if it was really a diktat तो शायद अश्विन का भी या कुछ रिएक्शन आता या कुछ subtle way में होता, but because he was doing it openly, तो was it like, मतलब इसका मतलब है कि nobody had really, it
But
was
he's
just
still
a,
not a superstar the level Kohli
yeah,
or
that's true.
Rohit
He's
Sharma
not
is,
Kohli or
right?
Rohit Sharma, but still, मतलब इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि ऊपर से actual कोई order था. It was just
नहीं
कि
नहीं, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ
understood सी
कि
बात थी,
नहीं,
which
मैं
is
तो बोल रहा
worse.
हूँ कि नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है कि the people who run BCCI, not talking of Ganguly, the man who runs. See, again, symbolism is all that matters, right? So they only care about these extreme top tier superstars. Even in
Jane ने
their
जो
eyes,
कहा है
जय
वही
शाह
है.
के हिसाब से Ashwin, even if he takes 1,000 test
Actually,
wickets,
Ashwin didn't even tweet that India against
हाँ,
propaganda. Maybe.
नहीं,
Apparently,
तो
he
Ashwin
refused. I think apparently he was asked and he refused. At least that's what I
refused.
got from Sharda Ugra's.
Sharda Ugra's this thing. So even if
I mean, I guess it was him because I could
हाँ,
not think of anyone else.
तो there are like, even if he
जडेजा
takes
थोड़ी करेगा.
वो अगर 1,000 टेस्ट विकेट भी ले लेना, I don't think Jay Shah will view him as a superstar. If you get what I'm saying. मतलब
No, but see, at least Ashwin is realizing that even if he does that, his spot in the team is probably not going anywhere. He
But
believes कि but ये same चीज कोहली और शर्मा क्यों नहीं realize करते?
But personalities की बात है ना, मतलब we have spoken about this in the past also. A lot of them actually buy into this. मुझे लगता है कि
Actually,
people
कोहली
like
तो
Rahane
definitely.
and Kohli and
I
all of
think
these people, they
I think
buy into
रोहित
this.
शर्मा से मुझे थोड़ी उम्मीद है जो कुछ है. कोहली तो definitely, मतलब he definitely believes in all that shit. उसने चंदा भी दिया होगा मंदिर को पीछे से, I'm pretty sure. और कुछ कह मतलब क्योंकि वो था तो ना, he राम रहीम सर के साथ तो थे ही भाई
तो
साहब.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लोग बिलीव नहीं करते हैं. काफी सारे लोग मतलब they do believe in all of this, and this vain display of nationalism जो है, it is viewed as something which is palatable in India. So I don't think बहुत लोगों को समझ में भी आया.
यार कितनी प्रिमिटिव सोच है ना अभी भी. मतलब you see what other countries are doing, right? मतलब इंग्लैंड में लोग पाकिस्तानी ओरिजिन के लोग साउथ अफ्रीका में इंग्लैंड में खेल रहे हैं, कैरिबियन ओरिजिन के लोग, इंडियन ओरिजिन के लोग खेल रहे हैं. ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड तो भूल ही जाओ, लाइक सिटीजन्स प्ले फॉर ईच अदर्स कंट्री. मतलब कुछ तो भी चलता है. मतलब इट इज, तो सोच रहे हैं ना मतलब कि कहाँ है दुनिया और हम कहाँ हैं. मतलब क्या सोच है अभी हमारी.
हम लोग तो छोड़ो, तुम कोविड के बारे में नहीं बात कर सकते. वी वर वंस टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ Sky Sports did this whole BLM themed thing during the West Indies series, right? And they didn't have to do it, right? It wasn't an England specific issue, but they still decided to do it because it resonates. That is a reflection of the cricket watching public in the UK more than anything else.
The worst part, the sad part is कि even those administrators in England की जनता उनको अभी भी it's not enough, that they're not doing enough. और ये वहां भी नहीं पहुंच पाए और फिर भी हमारे लिए ये सब कुछ है. मतलब you see, मतलब जो opposite speeds को ऐड करो तो बढ़ जाती है ना स्पीड. मतलब वो वाली समझ रहे ना क्या लॉजिक दे रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
The frame of reference is
एग्जैक्टली
different. Yeah.
और वो जो तू बोल रहा है ना, इंग्लैंड में ऐसे नहीं है कि देर आर नॉट, इट्स नॉट लाइक इफ दे दे ट्वीट आउट दिस होल माइकल होल्डिंग थिंग ऑन ट्विटर, they wouldn't get a response from these Tory supporters. वो तो
Yeah.
ऑफ कोर्स होगा ही, मतलब वहाँ पे भी हैं, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वहाँ पे नहीं है, बट द फैक्ट दैट अ चैनल which is owned by Rupert Murdoch
हाँ,
of
yeah,
all people
yeah,
decides to carry that on air is a reflection of first the society and the fact that gag orders तो definitely नहीं है. And
yeah.
here जैसे तू बोल रहा है opposite direction में, this is not even a political thing. There are people dying and your broadcast decides to shy away from this whole thing, और वो पे पी पी वाला वो
हाँ,
हूटर भी बज रहा है वो उसी ग्राउंड में.
गाने भी बज रहे हैं मैच के बीच में फॉर सम रीजन, डीजे भी बज रहा है वहाँ,
हाँ
मतलब
सब
क्या.
बज रहा है. And it is only after all of the Cricinfo articles came out and they got bad press in Australia and UK that they decide to वो lip service वाला they
हाँ,
decided to do those
please
videos with some
sanitize, please, yeah, please.
and just some very basic stuff from last year.
Hmm.
So forget about, मतलब we were once talking about how cricket could have possibly been an effective vehicle to talk about things like caste and all of this, but forget that. We can't even talk about a pandemic.
वो तो
So,
भूल जाओ भाई, मतलब that just. I mean your own colleagues ही बोलूंगा मैं, वेदा कृष्णमूर्ति और विराट कोहली को
हाँ.
एक तरह से, and like ये हो रहा है और you don't even, yeah, it's just.
हाँ, तो इसके बाद क्या बचता है?
वर्ल्ड टेस्ट
कुछ नहीं बचता है
चैंपियनशिप
सर.
और कोहली का पहला आईसीसी इवेंट विक्ट्री.
हो रहा है क्या? विक्ट्री हो रही है क्या?
भाई मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है
जस्ट बिफोर वील डिस्कस, अभी नहीं, ये
टेस्ट
तो बहुत जल्दी.
चैंपियनशिप में तो जेमिसन ले जाएगा कोहली को दोनों इनिंग में, देखो तुम.
क्राउड सपोर्ट तो अपने पास ही होगा ना सर, यूके में.
I don't care man. I want New Zealand to win the English series as well as the WTC. They deserve एक तो championship दो यार उनको.
मैं तो वही चाहता हूँ सर.
लेकिन मैं
But I think India as a test team has turned a corner.
yeah,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के
that's true.
बाद
That's true.
अभी अपने में
I still feel openers are still going to have a tough time in England, but Indian
batsmen
bowling
in
is
general
also
will have a tough time.
yeah, that's true. But the Indian bowling को तो मैं थोड़ा सा high ही rate करूँगा, because if Anderson has a bad day ना, तो then they even
Look
with Archer
vulnerable.
and Broad थोड़ा सा, मतलब it's not necessary that they'll run through, but India has just a different level, especially bowling attack तो अलग ही चल रहा है अभी. I hope ईशांत इंजोर ना हो जाए फिर से, but
यार मुझे एक टेम्पटेशन है कि आई वांट टू सी सिराज प्लेइंग bowling in England, even if
no,
that
he
is
will,
at the
he will.
expense of in whose place, but
I think they'll rotate.
how will
maybe
they?
दो या तीन मैच में शामी रहेगा, दो तीन मैच में सिराज और दो तीन मैच में ईशान. I think बुमराह ही है जो शायद चारों खेले, या पांच होंगे तो पांच होंगे,
मैं तो
and
मतलब
including WTC छहों खेले.
सिराज शामी बुमराह will be a good attack to watch. मतलब that is what keeps me watching, मतलब going back to Indian cricket these days.
I think it'd be harsh on Ishant. मतलब भाई बंदा is averaging 17, 18 in the last 2-3 years, so I don't, मतलब he should bowl, but and England and New Zealand are his best opportunities, even though India
True.
में भी he has bowled very
मैं
well.
तो चार सीमर खिला दो यार.
हाँ, चार सीमर and Ashwin. Yeah, because again, as much as we hate Jadeja's politics, that guy needs to be on the field every time. So
हार्दिक पांड्या नहीं है टीम में, और
नहीं, Pandya if he's not bowling he shouldn't.
पंड्या है ही नहीं, स्क्वाड में नहीं है.
स्क्वाड
Oh,
में नहीं है
हाँ,
वो.
टेस्ट स्क्वाड में नहीं है actually, right.
देखो मतलब आई जस्ट थिंक दैट it's not the bowling, it's we maybe I'm just being too negative, but I think the batting, the Kiwi batting might just be a little better equipped if the conditions are very
अभी मैं
very
थोड़ा सा फिर से एक थोड़ा सा हाइपर नेशनलिस्ट टाइप का मेंशन करूं. आज मैं ग्रेट क्रिकेटर का वो देख रहा था, एक वीडियो. they did a live which was at very, I don't know when they did it, but I was watching it today. It's from 2 days ago or something. I don't know if this was obviously an Indian cricket fan, and he was like, "Ki forget about comparing Kane with Kohli. Is he even better than Manish Pandey?"
कौन बोला
ये किसी ने कमेंट किया था, एंड तो वो लोग भी मतलब भौचक्के हो गए थे, एंड बोथ Ian Higgins and Sam Perry were like, मतलब they just said, "Dude, are you fucking serious?" So
दिस इज हाउ
ये
मच
हालत है अभी,
यार
मतलब अपने
ये
नेशनलिज्म
मैं फिर से गाली मतलब फिर से लगेगा कि ये नेगेटिव बातें कर रहा है मतलब मुझे जनरली मतलब देसी पब्लिक में भी मतलब फेयर चंक ऑफ इंडियंस वॉच ओनली इंडियन क्रिकेट
हाँ, या
सो ये सब बोलने की बातें हैं कि अप्रिसिएशन और ये सब देख रहे थे ना कि वो अहमदाबाद टेस्ट मैच जो डे नाइट टेस्ट मैच था वो जैक क्रॉली एक चौका मार देता तो पूरा ग्राउंड खाली मतलब
पूरा
चुप हो
ग्राउंड
जाता
शांत,
था
हाँ.
तो दिस इज
I
हाउ
mean,
इट
they
इज
are not cricket fans. Like, why not? Like, that's what I was saying again, circling back to the very first thing that Raj was saying, ना कि I had some very strong views on that Sharda Ugra episode. Because मुझे वो सुन के इतना अच्छा लगा ना कि मैंने blindly, randomly बहुत से group में share किया उसको. And I had specifically shared it in another group जिसमें there was some discussion going on कि मतलब वही something related to cricket was going on, and then the replies were. Yeah, I listened to it, but who is Sharda Ugra?
Seriously?
I was like, fuck it, man, तू रहने दे भाई, मतलब एक काम कर, तू मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ लिंक. You shouldn't be listening to this.
with that
So
अगर आपने शारदा ओगरा का ये पॉडकास्ट नहीं सुना है तो हमारे पॉडकास्ट को सुनने के पहले
and just
उनको
also
सुन लें.
एक टिप दे रहा हूँ मैं, see how the host actually ask questions and then let her speak and answer. ऐसा मेरे को किसी इंडियन पॉडकास्ट में तो कभी नहीं दिखा, at least. So, thank you, Sharda Ugra.
Thank you, Sharda. Thank you, Jaysha. We've grown up.
That's 4 in a row. There is good. They're going to blow next. The prodigal son turned Messiah gets his second 100 in successive.